Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we'll see how to uninstall a software with the help of Revo Uninstaller. So let's get started. For this, I've already installed Revo Uninstaller software on my machine. I'll provide the download link of it in the I button. Okay, so you can install that software. So you need to click on Windows icon, then Revo Uninstaller. Okay, as you can see, I've already installed Revo Uninstaller on my machine. Now click on, you'll get a pop-up. Yes, so this is going to load all the applications whichever are installed on your Windows machine. It will list down all those applications. Okay, it gives a detailed list of what's the app size, version, type, when it was installed, from which company, website. Okay, a lot of details it provides. So for this video tutorial, there's one more option. First is the uninstaller, second is the Windows apps. Okay, if you want to uninstall any Windows application, even you can do that. Okay, but for today we'll uninstall the application which is installed by me. I'll take this game player. Okay, now if I want to uninstall a game player, so what I'll go do, I'll select this app. Okay, then do a right click and select uninstall. Okay, over here it is going to provide you one option, make a system restore point before uninstall. So we don't need to make this system restore point. Okay, so I'll just uncheck it and click on continue. Next you're going to get game player uninstaller. Okay, this program Revo uninstaller it is going to check if uninstaller is there. If it is there, it is going to open that uninstaller. Okay, then you need to click on uninstall. So you can see a software is getting uninstalled. So do you want to delete all your preferences? I'm selecting yes. Okay, so once the software is uninstalled, you can click on close. So once the software is uninstalled, you will see there is a scanning mode, safe, moderate and advanced. Okay, you can select advanced and click on scan. So what this is going to do, it is going to scan for all the registry entries which the game player has made. Okay, so you can see found leftover registry items. So whenever we uninstall any application, so all these entries remain in our system. So what you can do, you can select all and click on delete. Okay, click yes. Now this is the found leftover files and folders. So KM player has created all these files and folders, okay, which are left in our system. So what I'll going to do, I'll select all and click on delete. Okay, click yes. So proceed. Once this is done, you can see KM player has got completely uninstalled from my laptop. Okay, I'll close this application. That's how you can make use of Revo Uninstaller to uninstall any application on your Windows laptop or Windows PC. Okay, now how to install this Revo Uninstaller, I have already made a video on it. I'll provide the link in this I button of this video. Okay, you can download by referring to this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thank you.